how to take video on Snapchat. To get started, first of all, open up the Settings app on your phone. And once you're here in the Settings app, find the Snapchat application by scrolling down. So once you find it, tap on the app. After that, you need to give Snapchat access to your camera by turning it on. Then open the Snapchat application on your phone. You will then be taken to the camera screen on Snapchat. Here, you can take snaps and videos and share them with your friends. Now tap on the arrow on your right of the screen to avail more features. You can turn on the video stability to capture more stable videos and hold the capture button right in the middle to take a video. You can explore and use the filters as well. So, by following these steps, you can easily take video on Snapchat. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.